हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। देखिए इस क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है, टू आइडेंटिकल सर्कुलर लूप्स ऑफ मेटल वायर आर लाइंग ऑन अ टेबल टचिंग ईच अदर। तो लेट अस टेक सर्कुलर लूप हियर। Right. This is the circular loop one and second circular loop I have taken like this. Okay. Both are touching each other. Okay. Now it is saying the loop A carries a current which increases with time. In response, the loop B will. So let us call this loop I am saying as A and this loop I am saying B, and both are touching each other at this point. Let us take the current is moving here in this direction. Okay. So or we can touching each other. So what I will do here is just okay. Okay, so these are the loops. Okay, so let us call this loop as A. You can assume here these two loops are touching each other. I have shown little gap just to make you understand here. So this is loop A, and suppose the current is moving in upward direction here, and it is saying which is increasing with time. So if the currenting is going in this direction, so this will act as a magnet and it will produce the magnetic field, and hence the magnetic flux will be associated here. So let us see in which direction. So if the current is going in this direction, the magnetic field will go into the plane of paper and it will come outside. So here the field will get something like this. It will come out of the plane of paper. Okay, now since the current is increasing, so this field will also increase. All right, so this loop B will oppose the increasing magnetic field by inducing the EMF, or we can say like current. So since the current is out of the plane of paper and it has to oppose, so the induced magnetic field due to the induced current must be into the plane of paper, and that should be like this. Okay, so the induced current will go like this, then only the induced EMF, or right, induced current should be like this, then only the induced magnetic field will go into the plane of paper and it will oppose this magnetic field, existing magnetic field, right? So induced current will go like this. So now you can see here, this is the induced current. So here the current will go upward direction and here the current will go in right downward direction. So see द राइट, सो द रिंग का जो पार्ट है जो एक दूसरे को टच कर रहा है उसमें करंट जो है ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में है, तो ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन में तो क्या होगा, इट विल रिपेल ईच अदर, राइट? सो आई कैन से फ्रॉम हियर ए एंड बी विल रिपेल. सो सी विच ऑप्शन इज कमिंग हियर, यू कैन से लाइक सिंस current are in opposite direction, since current are in opposite direction, so it will repel. So see which option is coming, remains stationary, which is wrong, is attracted by, is also wrong, is repelled by loop A. So this is correct. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.